Hi, I'm Crystal, and my son goes fishing sometimes at the weekend, and he comes back from Gillingham with worms, and basically to keep them alive for fishing bait you have to keep them in the fridge. Now here they are. I don't really like picking worms up in case they bite me, but hold on, let me just lift it to the camera. Those are in my fridge in newspaper, and they are tickling my hand and they're moving. Ugh. These are in my fridge, going to go in the fridge. They are fishing bait. They look like long centipedes and they're tickling my hand. Ugh. And I have, they're wrapped in this newspaper, and you have to keep them alive in the fridge. There we are. That's going to just go back in my fridge, used for fishing.